Welcome to the ArborSafe tutorial on uploading photos or files to a tree. In this video, we will show you how to upload a photo or a document to a specific tree on your site. Once you have logged in to your site, click on the Tree List tab to the left of your screen, and a list of all your trees will appear. Firstly, select the tree that you want to add a photo or file to by clicking on a tree in your list, or by adding the number to the search bar and click Search. Once the tree appears on your Tree List tab, click on it and two tabs will appear. Click on Show Assessment. You can also view the tree's assessment by double-clicking on the icon. And your tree data pop-up window will appear. Scroll down to the bottom of the window. You will see four buttons right here, with the first being Upload Asset. Click on this button and click on Browse. And then find the relevant photo or file on your computer. Click on it and click Open. The photo or file name will appear in the top field as your selected file to upload. Click on the Upload button. And the file will now appear in the Linked Files Asset box at the bottom of the page. To add another photo or file, click on Upload Asset again and repeat the process. Once your files are uploaded, you have the option to download a particular file, delete or rename it. To do this, click on the file and then click on the chosen option. When you've finished uploading, click Finish. To see all the trees on your site again, or make another selection, click Show All. And we'll fit those back in and see all the trees on our site again. Thank you for watching this video. If you require any more information not found in our tutorials, please contact ArborSafe on the phone number or email shown on the screen.